Okay, so recently I've been doing some woodworking videos, and it's not necessarily something that I'm doing like full time or anything like that. I do it just for fun. As a former photographer that's no longer doing photography for a living, I just enjoy making videos. I also enjoy woodworking. So putting those two things together is really a lot of fun. And I think I came up with something that might actually make creating these kind of videos a little bit easier for a lot of people. And I have never seen anybody use it before, and I think it's kind of cool. So let me give you a little idea of what it is I'm doing. This is what I'm using. This is actually a laser level pole, and it comes with this bracket, and a laser would fit on this normally, and it allows you to move it up and down in the room however you need it to be for leveling cabinets or furniture or pictures, whatever it is. They're really pretty handy. However, I saw this and it has a 1/4 inch adapter here so that it would fit like a tripod head. And so I got this little small rig tripod head, and I have this DJI Osmo 7P gimbal, and it works out great. And so what I'm gonna do is I'll keep my meta glasses going so you can see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do like picture in picture with maybe 3 shots. And if you notice, I have here that this is the bandsaw that's sitting relatively close to a lot of things. So if you're trying to do, let's say, a video of you working with a bandsaw, you might have to have a boom over this way or back this way so that you can see different angles. But when you have something like this, it's really rather flexible. Now, the other thing I've done is I've also bought another one because I'm using it for sort of creative lighting. So what I did is over here, I have another one, and this is holding this light, this newer LED light, and I've got this other tripod head on it. These can hold up to 11 pounds. Now, I wouldn't mess with this too much, but what's really nice is I can move this up and down as well, however I want, and with it having this ball head, I can move that around too. So it makes it really rather flexible. This does have a tripod that can go to it, and that makes it work really well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do these different photos. I'm gonna let this run the whole process, and that way you can see what I'm doing without any kind of change side by side. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna take a video of me cutting this wood here. I'm gonna do one here, and then I may come back here and do sort of a full room shot. So that way you can see kind of how easy it is to move everything. So the first shot we're gonna do, I wanna spin this around and bring it kind of down here. I'm gonna lock this in place. I've locked this in place. And now I'm ready to go on this shot. So let's move this junk, turn this on. Okay, that was the first shot. Now, if I wanted to then do a shot going this way, I would just simply move this around like this. I'll lock it here. Lock that into place, and I can bring this down as low as I wanted. And then I'm gonna get my shot together, and I can zoom in too. So let's say I wanted to zoom in. So I haven't had to mess too much with tripods and all that. So let's cut this piece. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this camera over here into this corner. So I'm gonna unlock this, bring this up, and now that part of my garage is actually taller. So I have to make this pole a little bit bigger too. So hang on, look at here. So now I can come on this end, and what I do is I pull it down, hold that, push this, lift it straight up, and now it's all locked in. And if I wanted to do a big wide angle shot of the whole room, I can do that. I can move this around this way. I have a lot of different options. So that's it. It's a simple tool. Laser level that can hold a camera. It can clearly hold a light. I just recently bought this second one because I enjoyed it so much and put this LED light with a softbox. And man, it has changed the way I can do lighting. I wish I had this years ago when I was doing portrait photography. It would have been so much easier. But the thing is that these kind of tools make it really easy to have a good time when you're doing the video and the work that you're doing. And I think anytime you can increase your creativity and take away the work part of it, man, that's even better. So hopefully this is something you might look into. I'll have the link to all the stuff that I talk about here, and the links do, they go to Amazon. So if you click on them and you buy something, they throw me back a little bit of cash too, which is kind of cool. But maybe I can buy some more laser pulls. Have a go and have fun.